Hey everybody, this is Otter, and I'll be presenting BukkitInventoryTools, created by Rocco Logo. This can be found on the Bukkit site, either at the Bukkit dev where it's currently supported, or you can find the legacy thread at the forums, also in the plugin list on the Bukkit site. This is going to be a demonstration video, not a how to install. The installation is pretty common sense, and considering this is a Spout plugin, I assume that you're either new to Spout and therefore you have to go through some more documentation other than myself to learn how to plug it in, or you're a veteran of supporting Spout, developing Spout, or just using Spout period, so you should already know how to install this plugin and any other Spout plugin. Spout is great if you don't use Spout currently and you're interested or on the fence. This video should at least sway you to go ahead and get it and start supporting it, just like myself. Now this plugin includes not just a protection but also a sorting, which is called Sort Inventory, also created by Rocco Logo, and Need Monsters Spout Backpack is also included. All three of these use Spout. Now I won't go into what Spout does, just pretty much what this is capable of. BukkitInventoryTools includes all three different plugins, so when you get it, you get all three. The main one is the protection one. Now LWC and Lock-It I assume are the most popular because I used both of those. Both for different reasons. They both basically do the same thing. This basically does all the same things but with a GUI along with the command list for people that don't use Spout or simply don't like GUIs for whatever reason. So you can protect things like doors, your furnace, your inventory chest, and also switches other than pressure plates. So first we'll go over the furnace. Let me get my hand so it doesn't look like I have a big box hand. Alright, so the furnace you can lock. Currently it is not locked. Oh wait. Let me first change my OP level. Alright. I'm no longer op, or as I like to call it, OP, just for whatever reason. Alright, so you can come to here and your furnace is alright, and then you hit L. The letter L will cause rain to fall. And nobody likes that. Alright, so we hit the L key as in Lima, we get this. Alright, so as soon as you hit lock, all of these things will come into play. When you hit lock, your fingerprint, which is your owner, or co-owners, which you can list here, separated by a comma, so like if we have Bob and Elise, these guys would be allowed to come in, and you can also put a lock. Now with furnaces, I don't know if they changed this in the newer versions, so go ahead and check that, but with furnaces and switches, whenever you set a pin, it doesn't actually open it. It just doesn't do anything, so don't set a pin for your furnace. Alright, I'm not going to demonstrate the fact that it doesn't work, so just take it from me, it doesn't work. So if you lock it, you put your fingerprint and you'll get a confirmation, like an achievement, saying your digit lock has been created for your furnace. So when you come up here, you can access it. Now, you're saying, well, how do we know it works? Alright, we'll change it to, we'll change the fingerprint to somebody else. We'll change it to just plain old Otter. And then when we lock it, we come up here and it tells you your fingerprint does not match the digit lock. And there's pretty much nothing I can do about it. Even when I come up here with L, you can see that locked with digit lock. So that's pretty much taken away from me forever. Thanks guys. Now let's set up our chest. Pretty much the same deal, except for the pin will actually work. So not only will you have your fingerprint, but the pin. Now the pin will always take priority, so even if you are the owner, as listed here, it will still ask you for a pin. So this is a fun little thing, so you can set your pin. Alright, we're going to put pin as ours. Oh, and it is case sensitive, so capital PIN is much different from all lowercase pin. So let us see what happens when you put in the wrong code. We put in pin, and then hit unlock. We take 2.5 hearts of damage, and this spider, God, I hate that noise. Alright, so if we put in the right one, we'll see that, ta-da, you get to come into your double chest. Now, it works on both sides, so when you hit L on the left side of the chest, it inherits everything else, just like you would think it would. Alright, so if you want to remove the lock, feel free, you can just hit remove and it'll tell you. Now over here I already pre-locked this as somebody else and have this door to let me know this is not your door. And you can try all day to get through it. Let the creeper in. This is my door. Actually, I don't even think I locked this one. So there it is. Now let's say that this isn't my door. Let's say we're going to give this to Otterpop's Poe. Or Whips Poe. Alright. And we'll lock it. Same deal, right? Now you're probably like, well, it's easy. We can just break through the ground, right? Wrong. You keep that up and you die. And you freaking die. So I hope this told you, will convince you to come over and get it. I think this is great. A lot of it is configurable, just like any other plugin. Major props to Gabriel333, aka Rocco Logo. Also Neat Monster for his backpack. So go ahead and swing by the Bukkit site and pick up Spout and pick up this. This is great for our server. This is just great for plain old fun. It's the best protection system out there, and as far as I can tell, he's gonna keep debugging anything and everything. And even with the current bugs, which are pretty much doesn't support all the different economy things out there, and can you blame it? There's like a billion, it seems like, that are coming out every day. So yeah, there's no big bugs, so there's nothing really to worry about. The lag issues, I'm not sure, so just go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope this persuaded you to become a Spout supporter.